Imagine waking up tomorrow, rolling over in the dark, and checking your phone. Right there on the glowing screen is a notification showing that you earned money while you were sleeping. It sounds like a dream, but social media is filled with people making promises that you can achieve this with zero effort. The truth is, getting rich overnight without lifting a finger is a misleading myth. Working a standard hourly job is a lot like foraging for food. You go out, gather what you can, and eat for the day. Passive income is entirely different. It is like planting an orchard. This diagram shows how that orchard grows. You put in a heavy amount of upfront work, watering, pruning, and waiting, before you ever see fruit. But once mature, it continues producing a harvest year after year. The goal is to build independent digital systems that eventually sustain themselves, long after you have finished the initial labor. Once you understand that, the next biggest hurdle is deciding where to begin. It is easy to freeze up when you look online and see dozens of conflicting ideas pulling you in different directions. Starting becomes much easier when you treat the process like a simple matching game. You look at the resources you already have in your daily life, and you pair them with the right project. Every passive income stream requires an upfront investment from one of three distinct pillars: your money, your knowledge, or your time. Your first step is figuring out which you have the most of right now. Let's start with the money path. This route is ideal for busy professionals. If you work a demanding full-time job and have very little free time, but you do have some extra cash left over at the end of the month, this is where you want to focus. The most accessible entry points here are high-yield savings accounts and investments that pay out a predictable amount of interest. You simply park your money in an account that pays you for the privilege of holding it. The returns are least, but the risk is exceptionally low, giving you steady growth in the background. If you want to take a step further, you can explore dividend investing. This chart illustrates how it works. When you buy a share, you are purchasing a fraction of a business. Some companies regularly take a literal slice of their corporate profits and pay it out directly to you, the shareholder. Over time, you take those dividend payments and immediately use them to buy more shares. Reinvesting those payouts over many years causes your total ownership to compound, accelerating your wealth without any extra effort on your part. By choosing the money path, you are letting your capital do the heavy lifting. The gains might be slow and steady rather than rapid, but it allows you to build wealth entirely in the background while you focus on your day job. But what if you do not have extra cash? That brings us to the knowledge path. This is for people who might be tight on funds, but possess highly specific, marketable skills. You likely have everyday proficiencies that other people find valuable. Maybe you're great at household budgets, or writing code, or doing graphic design. You can package those exact skills into digital products, like downloadable templates, or daily planners, or spreadsheets. A digital product has a massive structural advantage over physical goods. You perform the labor of creating the item exactly once. After you upload it to a marketplace, your inventory is effectively infinite. You can scale this concept even further by creating an online course. You record a series of lessons teaching your expertise. Once finished, people can buy and watch those videos 24 hours a day, turning your personal knowledge into a permanent educational asset. The knowledge path bypasses the need for financial capital by converting your brain power into automated digital systems that keep working long after you have finished. Finally, there is the time path. This is the ideal environment for students, young people, or anyone who has open weekends, but currently lacks both extra money and specialized expertise. Here, you trade your raw hours to build assets. One option is YouTube automation. You spend your time researching, writing, and editing educational or documentary videos. You never even have to show your face, and once the videos gain traction, they accumulate advertising revenue. Another option is affiliate marketing. This flow path shows the mechanics behind it. You recommend a product you trust. A viewer clicks your special referral link, and when they buy from the vendor, a percentage of that transaction routes back to you as a commission. The time path requires heavy upfront patience and consistency. By showing up every week to share what you know, you earn the attention of an audience that trusts your recommendations, creating a relationship that makes every future project you launch much more likely to succeed. When you look at all these options together, it is important to remember that you do not need to attempt everything. You only need to select the single path that naturally fits your current lifestyle. Take a moment today to perform a personal audit. Figure out what your biggest surplus is right now. Maybe you have $50 extra a month. Maybe you have a natural knack for organization. Or maybe you just have a free Saturday afternoon. Do not wait for the perfect moment or the flawless idea to come along. The only way to trigger long-term growth is to take the pressure off yourself and simply plant that first seed. Choosing a single path today can change your financial reality a year from now. So take a look at your own inventory. Are you going to start with the money, knowledge, or time path? Let me know which one you will try first in the comments below.